Hello and welcome to Conceptual Knowledge. Today we are going to discuss on India Maldives relations. So, Maldives is India's important neighbor and has been in a close, cordial and multidimensional in the past. Our honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi called the Maldives as a valued partner in the Indian Ocean neighborhood, and India Maldives ties are built on a very strong foundation, the contours of which are defined by shared strategic goals. Strategic convergence between the two countries is mainly possible because of the policy India first. This is a policy of government of Maldives, and next one is neighborhood first. This is the policy of government of India. This policy focuses on improving ties with India's immediate neighbor. Next are the security goals. The Maldives express commitment to support India's effort to combat terrorism, particularly cross-border terrorism and crimes such as piracy, narcotic drugs, and human trafficking. And the next two goals that are economic and development we will discuss in the later slides. So, the geography of Maldives is that it is located to the south of India's Lakshadweep Islands in Indian Ocean, that is 430 kilometers from India west coast, and in nautical miles it is 300 nautical miles away from west coast and 70 nautical miles away from Minicoy. From this point, this is the west coast. From here, it is 300 nautical miles away, and from here, there is Minicoy Island. From here to 70 nautical miles away. And the separation between India and Maldives is known as 8-degree channel. And one more thing, 1 nautical mile is equal to 1.852 kilometer. And further, Maldives include 26 coral atolls and approximately 194 islands. Amongst these, 200 are inhabited full time and 100 are occupied by hotels and resorts. Next is that Maldives gained independence on July 26, 1965 under the agreement signed with United Kingdom, and the important point here is to be noticed is that India was first to recognize Maldives independence, and the president here is indirectly elected by Majlis. Majlis is the parliament of Maldives, like in India, it's Sansad, and some of the important things are listed herein. Next are the bilateral treaties entered into between India and Maldives. The first one is Maritime Treaty. It was concluded in December 1976. Though the India's relations with Maldives is free of any political issue, but one-time claim of Maldives to Minicoy Island was explicitly resolved by Maritime Boundary Treaty, and in which Minicoy Island was peacefully recognized as the integral part of India. Next is India Maldives Comprehensive Trade Agreement 1981. So, India is fourth largest trade partner of Maldives after UAE, China, and Singapore. And India imports from Maldives primarily comprises of scrap metals, while India exports to Maldives engineering, industrial products like drugs and medicines, cement, and also agricultural produce like rice, spices, fruits, vegetables. Further, both are the founding members of SAARC, South Asian Economic Union, and signatories of South Asia Free Trade Agreement. Also, they entered into three memorandum of understanding for implementation of HICDP which is high impact community development projects for setting up of neighborhood fish plants in Adu. And under this agreement, total grant of $5.6 million was announced. And further, these projects are helpful in livelihood, income generation, health, education, gender, and child empowerment. Next are the Memorandum of Understanding between National Payments Corporation of India and Bank of Maldives to launch Rupee card. And also, India gifted Kamyab, that is petrol vessel, which is indigenous, that is made in India, to Maldives National Defense Force MNDP. Next are the bilateral agreements on the facilitation of visas arrangement, and also the bilateral agreement on exemption from visa requirement for holders of diplomatic and office passport was also entered, and the purpose behind this was to deepen people to people exchange between countries and making it easier for Maldivians and Indian nationals to travel to each other's country for tourism, medical treatment, education, as well as business. Next is Equivalent. Equivalent is a joint military exercise. Equivalent is a joint military exercise, and this in Maldivian language known as friends. This is the Maldivian term, and in English it is known as friends. And this exercise was held in Lamu Atoll. And further, the last one is that both the countries entered into agreement for the currency swap. Next is the assistance which Maldives got from India are. The first one is that Maldivian group, which was led by Abdullah Lufti, aided by PLOTE. Is PLOTE refers to People Liberation Organization of Tamil Eelam. This is the Sri Lankan Tamil organization, and both attempted to overthrow government in Maldives. As such, the then President Maumoon Abdul Gayoon called Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi for help, and as such he responded by sending paratroopers, naval warships to island nation. And this was done to restore legitimate leadership in Maldives. And further, this led to development of trust and long-term and friendly bilateral relations between the two countries. Next, during 2014 tsunami, 2004 tsunami, which was hit by Indian Ocean in the Maldives. Then also India was the first one to assist Maldives. And then in 2004, five major fire broke out at Malay Water and Sewerage Company. As such, India immediately rushed with drinking bottled water utilizing Indian Air Force and INS. And these are the heavy lift transporters which you can see in the images. That is C-17 Globemaster 3, Illusion 76, INS Sukanya, and INS Deepak. Further, during the tough time to tackle with the COVID problem, also India helped Maldives a lot, and following other assistance which you can see that India provided to Maldives. And this is the COVID related assistance was known particularly by Operation Sanjeevani. Then next in the row is development cooperations, and first one is India Gandhi Memorial Hospital was built with Indian grant assistance in 1995 in Maldives, and it was completed in June 2017 with INR 52 crores. Next is Maldives Polytechnic, which was earlier known as Maldives Institute for Technical Education, and for which the Memorandum of Understanding was also signed in the March 1992, and it cost total of 12 crores. Next is India Maldives Faculty of Hospitality and Tourism Studies, and the foundation stone was laid for this by our beloved former Prime Minister Vajpayee ji, and in 2014 the faculty was handed over to the government of Maldives. Next is that India building Police Academy of Maldives under the Indian grant of US dollar 33 millions. Next is Government of India decided to support Government of Maldives for implementation of Greater Mali Connectivity Project, and sorry this project will lead to will be a major catalyst for Maldives economy in future through job and economic activity, and it will connect Mali to willingly, then Gulhifalu, and Thilafushi. Thilafushi. And further, India was the fifth largest source of tourist arrival in Maldives in 2018 and second largest source in 2019. Next is why Maldives is important for India. So it shares ethnic and linguistic, cultural, religious, and commercial links steeped in antiquity. And this I have already discussed in the beginning, that India first, and yeah, important thing is it's due to its location. Here it is Maldives and here it is India, and these the Gulf of Aden and Strait of Hormuz are two important SLOC. SLOC refers to sea lanes of communication, and this will help this Maldives will help India to monitor Chinese maritime and naval movement along with SLOC, because Chinese troops are in Gulf of Aden, and further it's also helpful in maritime trade flow. Next is India is preferred destination for Maldivians for education and medical treatment, and significant Indian diaspora in Maldives. That is, to India is second largest expatriate, or we can say expat community in Maldives, with approximate strength of 22,000 Indians are there, and around 25% of doctors and teachers are of Indian origin, and it is also an important partner in India's role as net security provider in Indian Ocean region. So net security provider refers to the country which not only address security concerns of its own self but also of other countries in vicinity and beyond. Next are the India's concern. So the two oppositions in Maldives, that is PPM and PNC, both are spread heading India out campaign, and also they accuse the MDP, that is the ruling party in Maldives in present, Maldivian Democratic Party, for selling Maldives to India, and they also criticized for military intervention. It is an affront to its sovereignty. However, the speaker Nasheed said that it will get Maldives will get isolated from international community if India goes out. That is, if another goes out, that is India goes out, then the Maldives will be isolated. And the instance from for this India Out campaign can be very well seen when Yamin's government in 2018 decided to return two Dhruv helicopter that were gifted by India to Coast Guard. However, this opposition PPM and PNC failed to arouse public enthusiasm for India Out campaign, and later this Yamin was also jailed. And further, uh, this Nasheed, who is the speaker of Maldives, also threw out an emergency motion citing it as violations of procedural and substantive laws. The second and fourth point we will discuss together. So first, let's have a look on this third one. So Maldives signed its first country-specific free trade agreement with China, but now it's thinking to scrapping it as to safeguard trade with other countries, including India, as this FTA hinders the trade relation with other countries, as these deals allow Chinese goods to be imported without duty, but a bigger duty is charged on imported goods from other countries, and as such it disrupts the relations of China with other countries. And next is this rising Chinese presence in Maldives and Chinese acquisition of huge amount of land in Maldives. So China's strategic footprint in India's neighborhood has increased as Maldives has emerged out as a pearl, pearl, which is like we say moti in China's string of pearls, as due to its location, or we can say that strategic location it holds, and the speculations are also there that the Chinese will develop strategic bases in this Maldives, and as such Maldives is also using China as a card to bargain with India, and India will have to manage this Chinese growing economic and maritime interest in Indian Ocean region, which are perceived as threats to national security. So the way forward is, as I have already told, that Maldives should abide by its first India first policy, and though the current president, since he has assumed office from November 2018, is acting on this policy, but the opposition, as we have seen in the previous slide, that which is also the India's concern about India Out campaign. So the current government should see that there is no violation of India first policy, and also the India has always been a committed development partner, and in future also it will be a committed partner to Maldives. And I guess I have covered holistically on this India Maldives relations, and thanks a lot for watching, and if you like it, please subscribe our channel and like the video. Thank you.